Hi everyone, yasas que kalos tirtate to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. It is warming up here in Houston where I live, and I wanted to share this recipe with you. It's a drink. It's a honey hibiscus rose tea, iced tea. I've served this at dinner parties several times and everyone loves it. It's so nice and refreshing and light and floral and aromatic, and it's so easy to make, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is bring a pot of water to a boil, and then in a pitcher, since I'm making about 4 cups of this hibiscus tea, I'll add 6 tea bags, and this is my favorite hibiscus tea to use. I just love it. I get it off Amazon. It's the English Rose Tea, the Downton Abbey edition. It's just so good. I'll put the link down below so that way you can get it too. It just has the perfect amount of rose in it, and the tangy hibiscus is just perfect in it. Just put 6 tea bags in there so it could be nice and concentrated. Then I'll pour 4 cups of boiling hot water over the tea bags into this pitcher. I like to add a little bit more rose water to this, and you can find this rose water online or in a local Middle Eastern or Mediterranean market. You could add 1 to 2 tablespoons, and I love to sweeten it with honey. You can use sugar if you want, but honey balances the drink off so well. 2 tablespoons is what I add because everyone likes it nice and sweet. Mix everything all up so that way the honey dissolves. Cover the pitcher that you're making it in and let it sit at room temperature until everything cools down. This can take about 1 to 2 hours, but you really want the hibiscus tea to release all of its flavor. When you're ready to serve it, take out the tea bags and squeeze out all of the tea that's in there. Give everything a nice mix and you can taste it. If you want to at this point, you could add another tablespoon or 2 of the rose water. It'll make it more fresh tasting, or you can serve it as is in a glass with lots of ice cubes. It is just perfect, refreshing, and so delicious. And just like that, your iced tea is ready. So good. Nothing better than cooling down to a glass of hibiscus tea on a warm day. There's so many ways you can jazz this up and add more flavor to it, or switch it up a little bit. If you want to do half hibiscus tea, what we just made, and then add some coconut water to it. I always buy coconut water, especially when it warms up, because it's a nice way to add electrolytes and just hydrate, and it goes well with the hibiscus and it has lots of health benefits too, so I love it like that. You can add some lime to this. You can add some fresh rose petals into this if you're serving it in a nice dispenser, in like glass dispenser, to look really pretty. You can do lots of things with this, but just the way it is, it tastes delicious. I do add a little bit of that rose water to it just to add a little more rose flavor, but it's up to you if you want to leave it out because the tea does have just the right amount of rose in it. I hope you guys give this drink a try. If you do, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yasas.